Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 best Amazon kitchen and home finds this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks. So let's start the video.
The Ovente Portable 5. Speed Mixing Electric Hand Mixer is a remarkable addition to any kitchen, known for its blend of functionality and user-friendly design. Weighing just 1.8 pounds, this lightweight mixer makes it easy to handle during prolonged mixing tasks, reducing strain on the wrists and arms. Designed with a striking red finish, this mixer not only performs efficiently, but also adds a pop of color to your kitchen. The compact dimensions of 8.3 inches deep, 3.2 inches wide, and 7 inches high ensure it fits comfortably in kitchen drawers or small spaces, making it ideal for those with limited storage. Equipped with 5 distinct speed settings, this hand mixer provides versatility for various mixing needs from whipping cream to blending batter seamlessly. The push-button controls are intuitive and responsive, allowing users to switch between speeds effortlessly, thus enhancing the overall mixing experience. The stainless steel blades are a standout feature, providing durable action.
The Victoria Cast Iron Tortilla Press is a stellar kitchen addition for anyone looking to prepare authentic tortillas and rotis with ease. Crafted from high-quality cast iron, this manual press promises durability and performance, allowing users to experience the true essence of traditional cooking. Measuring 8 inches in diameter, it offers ample space to shape a variety of dough, making it ideal for both small and medium-sized tortillas or rotis. The weight of the cast iron construction ensures even pressure is applied, resulting in perfectly flattened dough every time. Unlike some lightweight presses, this sturdy design minimizes the risk of warping or damage, ensuring long-lasting use. One of the standout features of the Victoria Tortilla Press is its user-friendly functionality. The manual design allows for complete control over the thickness of your tortillas, accommodating personal preferences. The black finish not only gives it a sleek appearance but also provides an easy.
The GULXW Target Alarm Clock presents a thoughtful blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, making it particularly suitable for adults seeking a reliable wake-up solution. Crafted from durable plastic, it weighs a mere 200 grams, making it lightweight yet sturdy enough for daily use. The design of the clock is both modern and minimalist, which allows it to fit seamlessly into any bedroom decor or office setup. The one-color finish not only enhances its visual appeal, but also contributes to its versatility. This feature allows users to easily incorporate it into their personal style without clashing with surrounding furnishings. Functionality is at the forefront of the GLXW Target Alarm Clock. It features an intuitive interface that simplifies setting alarms and adjusting the time, accommodating those who may not be tech-savvy. The sound quality of the alarm is commendable, providing clear notifications without being overly jarring, ensuring a gentle yet effective wake-up experience.
The Cuisinart Chopper stands out as a reliable kitchen tool designed for efficient food preparation. Its compact dimensions of 3.75 inches in length, 3.88 inches in width, and 9.75 inches in height make it an ideal addition to any kitchen, especially for those with limited counter space. Weighing in at a manageable 13.6 ounces, it feels sturdy, yet not cumbersome, providing users with a solid grip during operation. Constructed from stainless steel, both the chopper's body and blade ensure durability and longevity. The square blade shape is particularly effective for chopping cheese, offering a precise cut that preserves the integrity of harder cheeses while efforts.
The Green Forest Vanity Desk is an impressive addition to any space, combining functionality with a modern aesthetic. With a sleek silver color and a crisp white finish, this desk seamlessly integrates into various decor styles, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. Measuring 39 inches in width, 15.7 inches in depth, and 30.5 inches in height, the desk provides ample surface area for computer beauty products or personal items without being overwhelming in size. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for smaller spaces, while still offering enough room to work or create comfortably. The design is both elegant and practical, featuring clean lines that enhance its contemporary look. The sturdy construction ensures durability, allowing it to withstand daily use. The furniture finish not only adds to its visual appeal, but also makes it easy to clean, maintaining its pristine appearance over time. Assembly of the Green Forest vanity desk is straightforward.